Hey guys, we're going to try something a little bit different today. I know there's 101 unboxings of these, but, well, probably 1,001 unboxing of these, but we're going to do it my way. It's going to be short, to the point, and you know exactly what's in it and what to expect when you get the box. So this is the original packaging. It's shrink wrapped. And I'm not going to show you the bottom because there's all kinds of serial numbers and stuff. I tried an unboxing of my GoPro a few weeks back, and I had some pretty terrible camera settings, and then the camera died, and the other camera's battery died, and then the lighting wasn't right, and the other one was out of focus, and the other one was in time lapse, and yeah, I did not have a good time at that. All right, let's check this out. Question of the day. How does one open one DJI mic box? Pretty. How about some SMRI quiet soothing crap, whatever the hell they call it. And that is everything in the box. I have fairly big hands, so it's a pretty chunky boy, but completely acceptable for putting into a backpack or if you've got big front pockets even. And look at that, the lights turn on automatically. And all the lights are blinking. I do believe that means it is hooked up, so they're all ready to go. They know each other. And again, I have big hands. And that is everything. You can see there's got the little connections down there, so you can charge it here and charge it there. You've got your Apple connector, so you can hook this one up to that and then plug this directly into your Apple. Or you've got your USB-C to plug into modern Android devices, just like that. And I do believe this is your clip. Put it there, and you can hook this up to your hot or cold shoe on your camera. That's your USB. got your power button. You've got your charging when it's in the box. You've got your record button and your link button in case they ever get disconnected from one to another. You've got your microphone, and you've got your lavalier mic connection. And those magnets are very strong. Ugh. Yeah, I don't want to break anything with that. Holy cow. Yeah, don't get your finger pinched in there. Okay, let's see what's in this white box. That's everything out of the box. Just a nice thick nylon bag. Not too bad. And you've got your dead cats. I have no idea what their official names are. Little fluff buttons to put on your microphone if it's windy. Okay guys, so I just gave this a try, and you cannot put your fluffy bunny buttons in here and it won't close. Like, it's not happening. So you're gonna have to carry it separately and hope you don't lose it. Your connection for hooking it up to your camera. So this would go from the output and put that into your camera so your camera can record. You've got your USB-A to USB-C. That would be for plugging into here to charge everything. Got some recycling information for Germany specifically. Products of Australian consumer law. Looks like the only thing in English. I don't know what else this is. Do you see any English? Because I don't. If you do, let me know. And you've got your safety guidelines. I wonder what there is to do safety-wise for these. Don't throw them in the fire, maybe? You don't want them to explode. No clue. And here's your quick start guide. Get your fingers ready on the pause button. I'll go through each page, and if you want to look through it, it'll be all yours. Oh, sorry. Here's page 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, and the back page, and anything to scan you might need. And there you go. That is the entirety of the directions. We actually travel permanently, so we got this specifically to make our travel videos sound a little bit more professional. So if you want to see all the traveling we do, we are currently in Texas, going along the coastline. We're headed to the Florida Keys, and after that we're going to head up the East Coast to Canada. and we're gonna keep everybody posted of all the cool places we go. So hit like and subscribe, and we'll keep in touch. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.